I welcome you all to this video lecture on the topic pointers in C programming. Pointers. Pointers are variables in C programming that store memory addresses. They are used to directly access and manipulate memory locations, enabling efficient memory management and dynamic memory allocation. Pointers play a crucial role in various C programming tasks like working with arrays, dynamically allocating memory, and implementing data structures like linked list. In C programming, you can declare a pointer variable by using the symbol asterisk before the variable name. For example, data type int asterisk ptr. It declares that integer pointer named ptr. Let's see some common operations and concepts related to pointers in C programming. The first one, address of operator. The address of operator is used to obtain the memory address of a variable. Say for example, in the first line, variable is declared and value 10 is initialized to it. In the second line, assigns the address of number to the pointer. Next, dereferencing operator. The dereferencing operator is used to access the value stored at a memory address pointed by a pointer. In this example, the value stored at the memory location pointed to by the pointer. Next, pointer arithmetic. Pointers can be incremented or decremented to navigate through memory locations. This is particularly useful when working with arrays. For example, the array ARR contains 5 elements that is clearly mentioned in the first line. The second line shows that assigns the address of the first element of ARR to pointer ptr. In the third line, dereferencing operator is used. The dereferencing pointer gives the value at the first element. So it outputs 1, the first element. In the fourth line, dereferencing operator is used with pointer plus 2. It gives the value at the third element. So it outputs 3. Next, dynamic memory allocation. Pointers are commonly used for dynamic memory allocation using functions like malloc and free. The functions allow you to allocate memory at runtime and deallocate it when it is no longer needed. Example. In this example, the first line allocates the memory for an integer value. The second line stores a value in the allocated memory and uses the allocated memory. The last line, the free function is given. It deallocates the memory when done. The pointers in C are very powerful features but require careful handling to avoid errors like dangling pointers and memory leaks. It is essential to ensure proper initialization, assignment, and memory deallocations when working with pointers. This is the example program that uses pointers. Example, I declared an integer variable num and initialized it with the value 10. Then I declared an integer pointer ptr and assigned the memory address of num to pointer ptr using the address of operator ampersand. The first printf statement prints the value of num, which is 10, and the second printf statement prints the memory address of num using the address of operator ampersand. The third printf statement prints the value stored in ptr, which is the memory address of num. The fourth statement dereferences ptr using the dereferencing operator, and it prints the value stored at the memory location pointed by ptr, which is 10. Next, I update the value stored at the memory location pointed by ptr by assigning the value 20 to pointer ptr, that is asterisk ptr. This modifies the value of num. Finally, I print the updated value of num, which is 20. This confirms that modifying the value through the pointer also affects the original variable.